AMC guys jumping 3%, and 3 million worth of volume at the market open after the major earnings that we got lately, and we've got a really good revenue. That's why we have a huge jump of almost 30% technically right now, almost, we did 30% in just 1 or 2 days after the earnings. So this is show us that we got a huge buyer, and of course we got almost all what we lost since the end of June. Once we have the news of offering, the price pulled back from the 3 until the 160. So we almost lost half of the value of AMC, but we get it back right now. We tested the $2, almost 63, the squeeze zone. So before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only, guys. And of course, remember we always discuss mini stocks. Yesterday we discussed ZYBT, that squeeze from the $2, as you can see here before. Once it was halted, and of course, after that, before the market close, jumped until almost the $10, almost 5x in a few hours. So let's discuss AMC because it's doing fantastic right now. The market opened yesterday and we've got a big buyer around the $2.12. And we said if we held here, we're going to continue to go up. We went up slowly, and now we have another buyer to take us around the 260, just below 2 cents from the squeeze zone or the major seller zone around the $2.63. So where are we gonna go from now? The main level is still there around the $2.13, but this time if we pull back, it's better to hold over the 230 to confirm a faster squeeze next time over the $2.63 and go toward the $3. So now we missing another 20%, guys, to technically squeeze and have a new high over the $3.05. It's not a big deal because we already did 30% in just a span of 1 day. 30%, guys, this is huge. So if we did another 20%, we might squeeze next time toward the $4. So we went from just almost $1 toward almost the $3 in a span of 1 day. This is crazy volatility, and of course show us that we got a huge whale buying AMC after the major earnings that we got, positive earnings for AMC lately. As you can see here, for the revenue is reported 1 billion, guys. The estimate was 900 million. So you see, we got huge anticipation for the earnings. And of course, this is the good earnings that we got since last November 2025. So almost 1 year from now, we never have really good earnings. This is the first time we've got earnings. So this is a good reaction that we got for AMC to pull back from this huge dip around the 8th of July. And now to 21st of July, we got back what we lost. Almost 45%. Now we down just 20% before the end of this month. So before the end of this week, we might test the $3, guys. And maybe even today, if we held over this current support, would be really great over the $2.29. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below what you think about the price action of AMC. Are we gonna have a continuation toward the 3 and maybe the 4 before the end of this month or not? Let me know in the comment section below.